Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today is Friday and we're preparing my home for a relaxing weekend. I've had a busy week of physical therapy appointments, grandkids, and granddogs. I need to wipe down all the furniture of sticky fingerprints, smudges, and other gross things that you will soon see. I will also show you the amount of fur that I vacuum up in one day. This sweet girl is my granddog Indigo. She comes to stay with me when her parents and sister are out of town. This week they're in Atlanta, and in a little bit you'll see me on FaceTime with them. I'm going to quickly show you around the house and show you what needs to be done, and then we will get busy with cleaning.
We can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna see some night we can't let.
This is where my little guy sits when he eats, so I need to get this all cleaned up from his lunch. And now I'm going to show you that gross stuff that I was talking about earlier. Because we keep our sliders open when it's cool outside, flies think it's a free invite for them to come in. So I have to clean these window sills regularly.
Something pure that I'm not.
So if you follow me, you know that I'm big on routines. So I have my morning and evening routine, and it keeps my kitchen pretty clean. If you're new here, I'll go ahead and add a link above to my morning and evening routines. I swear that it's the most important steps to keeping your house tidy. Now I'm going to run you over here so that I can show you a glimpse of the type of fur that I'm talking about that's all over my house. In my night routine, I run Roomba right before I go to sleep, so all this fur gets picked up. However, this is the middle of the day and the fur is already accumulating. If you're wondering, I have one dog and one cat. Currently, I do have my grand dog too, but typically I only have one dog and one cat.
Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight.
Okay, let's get started getting this mess cleaned up. I'm going to start by getting all the toys picked up and put away. I want to thank all of you who are sending me well wishes on my shoulder injury. I'm working really hard in physical therapy, but they told me this week that I may not get range of motion back in my left arm for several more months. As it is now, I'm on my 8th month. It's very discouraging news, but it is what it is, so I just have to keep going on. But I do appreciate all your thoughts and prayers.
We wanna see some night we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. No, no.
If you watch me regularly, you know these two things about me. That I have 2 new grandbabies on the way, and that I'm a newborn photographer. Well, one of my daughters had her baby. She's 2 weeks old now, and she brought the baby to me so that I can do her newborn photos. And I'm going to share the back of the camera of one of the pictures that I took. This little sweet love is my Sophia Riley, and I'm so in love with her. I can't wait to get this photo edited and added into my collection of newborn photos of my grandbabies.
This might be a breakup. 'Cause
Okay, now I'm headed into the laundry room to do a load of our living room throw blankets. I look forward to having fresh blankets to use on the weekends.
you head the direction that's leading.
I'm going to be real with you here. This footage of me cleaning the living room was actually reshot 2 days after the original footage. When I was editing that original footage, it wouldn't upload, so I had a huge chunk missing from my video, and it was very noticeable. So I had to reset the scene for this footage. So for about the next minute, minute and a half, it'll be up to when I'm cleaning the sliders. That's all reenacted video.
It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe
I'm going to use this damp microfiber cloth to wipe down all my furniture.
prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me.
you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle. I'm the mom to 3 moms and a son. I started this channel because I wanted to motivate women to reclaim the peace in their lives and their homes through cleaning, organizing, and setting up routines. I've transitioned through many roles as a woman and a mother, and I found that my life and the lives of my kids ran best when routines were followed. I hope that I can encourage you to do the same in your life.
Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say you need you and you head the direction that's leading away from.
These sliders get a lot of use during the week. You'll see all the sticky fingerprints and the nose prints from the dogs on it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up so that it's nice and fresh for the weekend. I'm going to use my e-cloth. I really like these. It cleans the window really well. And this right here is the polishing cloth that shines it up. All you do is add water and wipe it down and then polish it up with the polishing cloth. There really is no better shine. I do miss the smell of Windex, Mrs. Myers and all that, but for the shine, this really is top notch. My little guy's pointing out the spots that I've missed. Very soon he'll be old enough to be able to clean these windows for me.
Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This particle life. This particle.
For obvious reasons, this job would be so much easier if I had the use of both arms. But anyway, since I already have these cloths wet, I'm going to go ahead in the kitchen and clean off my stainless steel refrigerator. The middle drawer of this refrigerator belongs to my grandkids. It's filled with cold snacks that they can get anytime that they want. So you can see all the little fingerprints that get all over. These cloths really do a good job at getting the sticky prints off of here. This refrigerator has seen some better days, so you will see some dents and some past staining. Let me tell you what I like about these cloths as opposed to the spray that you would spray on a stainless steel. The wet cloths really pick up all that dirty debris that's on the refrigerator, as opposed to the germs being sealed in by the oily spray. And I personally don't like the oily sprays that leave the film on your refrigerator, so that when you touch it, it leaves smudges. That goes for my wood furniture as well. I prefer to have a wood cleaner as opposed to a polish. I just feel that things feel cleaner if it's cleaned instead of sealed in with an oil. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this Jaws kitchen cleaner to clean the kids' toys and their table, and then I'll use the same spray to clean the window seals.
I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I am never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Cause I'm getting stronger. Cause I'm getting stronger. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely.
Now that I'm finished using microfiber cloth on our furniture, I'm going to go ahead and use it to clean out these window seals. It's very important to get this fly mess cleaned up, because if you don't, it will stain your wood, your window seals, and down at your baseboards.
But I am never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I am never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming.
I put this basket in my kitchen that we throw all of our dirty cloths in. Since the pandemic, we use less paper towels and a lot more cloths during the week. So you'll see me throwing these into the wash soon. Here's where I slowed down a little bit because my little grandbaby FaceTimed me from Atlanta. You see, her dog is running around because she hears her voice.
You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
These two little cousins are only 14 months apart, and they love each other. They're each other's best friends. I love when I can share moments like this with y'all. These babies are so precious to my heart. Wait till you hear what he tells me after I open up the snacks for him.
I'm getting crazy when I be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, well we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words.
Thank you, Grammy. I love you.
Bye.
I love you. Bye.
Bye. I love Buffy.
Can't get any worse, no. Over me.
I'm switching the blankets over to the dryer, and then I'm going to throw in my dirty kitchen towels. It's important with microfiber cloths that you don't add fabric softener, so I just wash all these towels on hot, and I don't use fabric softener in any of them. My entry area becomes a hot mess really quick. It's the landing area for all the Amazon boxes. I also keep a couple of bags up here to hold my grandkids' stuff, so that way when I find it in the house, I just put it in the bag and they can take it home. I'm showing you the empty canister of my Dyson. I just want you to get an idea of how much dog fur that I pick up off these floors. Now I'm just going to do the tile, and then I'll show you the canister once I fill it up, and then I'll go over and do the carpets.
I find it hard to read you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, ooh, la, la, I think I can see clear now. Maybe you're scared of getting hurt, but if you sit down and allow me to get close, we might work. Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Okay, here's the results. Look at all that fur in there. Now mind you, I ran Roomba just last night, and right here it's probably about 2 o'clock in the day. So that goes to show how much fur gets all over my house because of these dogs. Now my Roomba does not like this new rug that I bought here, and he refuses to vacuum it, so I have to hand vacuum it every day. After I laid this down, I realized that it's an indoor-outdoor rug, so I will be moving it outdoors to my back patio. And I'm going to find me a softer and easier to clean indoor-only rug to put here on this spot.
Can someone set me free? Hey, what do you want?
Now it's time to go ahead and give my floors a quick wash. In my cleaning routines, I mop my floors on Mondays, and I use my tried and true mopping glow. However, today, for this quick job, I'm going to go ahead and try this Mr. Clean. Now don't ask me why I bought this, when we all know that Mama's going right back to the mopping glow on Monday.
'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other.
Okay, now that I'm editing this video, I remember why I bought the Mop and Glow. I thought it would be easier for quick cleanups. I'm not having to squirt the solution on the floors, then mop it, and then go and rinse it in the bucket. So basically it's cutting out one full step.
I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of your comfort zone.
I often get asked if I like my O-cedar mop, and the answer really is yes. I have several different cleaning tools for my floors, including a steam mop, and honestly, the Spin Mop is by far my favorite. The mop head is easy to be removed so that I can launder it, and the replacement heads are very reasonable. I'm going to link some of my favorite cleaning products down in the description box. What is your favorite tool to clean your floors with? Go ahead and answer down in the comment box. I'd love to read your responses. The other thing that I like about this O-cedar mop is that you can turn it on its side and clean your baseboards with it. Now it's time to get my kitchen towels out of the dryer. Folding the towels are so satisfying to me. My love for it's right up there with vacuum lines and cleaning the kitchen sink. Do you have a chore that brings you that satisfying feeling? Tell me about it in the comment box. Are you like me, that after you watch a cleaning video, you really want to see the results of all that cleaning?
'Cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich.
I want to thank you for coming and hanging out with me while I tidy things up for an enjoyable weekend. If you haven't already, would you please give this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to introduce yourself down in the comment box because I would love to get to know you. I linked another video here at the end. I hope that you'll go over there and watch it. I'll see you again next week for another video. Stay blessed, my friends.